So I'm Dominic Pratt. I'm the Vice President of R&D at the Kao European Research Labs here in Darmstadt. So I think for Kao, R&D really sits at the heart of the company. It's really part of the company's DNA. I think you only have to look at the size of the investment in R&D, the fact that we have 3,000 researchers globally working not just on product development, but also fundamental research as well, which is something very unusual for a global company. I think also the fact that the CEO comes from R&D, and that's historically been the case over the years, is also something that's very unique and unusual for Kao. So the European R&D team here at Kao, we have about 150 researchers working here. We have 20 professional stylists. I think this is a really unique aspect. That means that really the scientists and the stylists can work together every single day on making the products better and better until they're ready to launch. In addition to the product development, we also have an upstream technology department. We have a packaging, we have safety regulatory, we have patent department. So we really have a holistic team here that covers, all of the functions we need to launch the right products with the right quality. For R&D, collaboration is so important for us, with R&D centers spread around the globe and with different competencies and strengths in different locations. Of course, the ability to collaborate is really essential to be able to bring innovation to the global markets. Obviously, in Japan, we have the most R&D power. So a lot of the innovations that we're lucky enough to be able to utilize comes out of Japan. But nevertheless, there are also innovations and technologies that come from the other global sites as well. So really collaborating, sharing, utilizing the strengths of each of the R&D organization is a critical part of us succeeding as an organization together. So the Kao R&D philosophy to innovation really starts with the consumer. So everything really starts with the consumer and the customer. So in Kao, we have a phrase that we call gemba. It comes from Japanese. As with all Japanese words, it's a little bit difficult to give a precise translation in English. But the essence of it is really first-hand experience and understanding of the consumer's world, of their unmet needs. Based on that, then we go to the second principle, which is about Yoki-monozukuri. And this, again, to try to translate, is really about a dissatisfaction with the status quo and an obsession to try to improve things and to make things better. And then the third principle, so once we really deeply understand what the consumer needs, we've taken on the challenge and we've decided we're definitely going to improve the situation for those consumers. The third is then about utilizing the technology and innovation within Kao to deliver a product, a service that really has a positive impact on the consumer and the customers. So in addition to that, of course, Kao, as one of the most ethical companies in the world, also very, very close to their heart then are things like safety, quality, and also the impact on the environment. So sustainability is also a key part of our philosophy when we develop new products, new technologies, new services. The success of the R&D team is really built on their passion, the diversity, the ability to collaborate, which makes them particularly creative and innovative.